It seems like we're toward the start of one more bullish phase in the crypto market. Cryptos are starting to hop higher, making some massive gains. However, Ripple coin is neglecting to make any such gains. However, we believe that it will join this crypto rally at some point. And that at some point is what we will be discussing today in this video. Stick to the video till the end so you don't miss any of the important information. But before we dive into the topic, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new updates about XRP. Financial regulators in various countries have been focusing their attention on the biggest crypto exchange in the world, spearheaded by Changpeng Zhao. Malta, Italy, the UK, and Hong Kong are among these countries. In these countries, regulators have stated that the Binance Group is not authorized for operation. Likewise, during the third week in July, Binance announced intentions to discontinue trading tokenized stocks, as it intends to completely shift its focus away from tokenized stocks. This is true again as it is related to regulators in Germany and Italy and Chinese crypto. Journalist Colin Wu reported in Hong Kong and stated that the country's top financial market regulator is warned due to a security breach. But the company continues to operate without being authorized. Moreover, Binance's crypto exchange services have been provided in the country without the FCA approval, and the warning was released on July 25. According to the Japanese regulator, this is Binance's second warning about the market. Moreover, in the last few years, Binance has grown into a major crypto exchange with operations throughout the world, and the company has maintained an aggressive expansion strategy over the years and now offers everything from spot trading to derivatives trading, as well as cryptocurrency mining to lending. During this time, regulators of both Europe probed the crypto exchange and the United States for offering trading for stock tokens and for accepting derivatives trading clients, and in spite of this, the company has maintained its status as an inherently compliant company in all jurisdictions. In addition, Bloomberg reported that Binance was being investigated by both the U.S. Justice Department and the Internal Revenue Service or IRS. Furthermore, Zhao did not mention that he was more specific about how Binance cooperates with law enforcement agencies, such as the IRS, and has already assisted more than 5,000 investigation requests globally so far this year, and by 2020, this amount had already doubled. Zhao explained that Binance's aim is to increase freedom and human inclusion so that society can become better. Additionally, he said they are humbly welcoming more capable talents and experienced advisors to join them for building the company to be better. And this is because offering cryptocurrency goes beyond providing digital currency for trading, also due to the Securities Act of 1933. Any offer for raising funds for a company must be registered under securities law. That is why we are very optimistic that we are going to see Coinbase and Binance resume trading XRP soon. The SEC's initial lawsuit against Ripple last December caused XRP to be delisted from many US-based crypto platforms subsequently. Ripple's legal counsel initially revealed several disclosures that have turned the whole case upside down in their favor after the first two court hearings. While there is trust that the SEC versus Ripple's lawsuit may soon reach a conclusion, the time when this will be arrived at remains unsure, as the two parties are still slugging it out in court. Numerous controversial observations have been made that cause the SEC's actions to seem hesitant, and Ripple's legal team has not been slack in hauling out the points they feel are most for their potential benefit. A new point that it is locked onto is that the SEC didn't establish a deliberative process to warrant them exercising a deliberative process privilege in a new motion filed by Brad Garlinghouse lawyer Matthew Solomon. The fintech company has protested the SEC's insistence on exercising a deliberative privilege for around 37 documents. The motion argues that the SEC had never stated that it was deliberating on the status of XRP, as the commission has continuously insisted that the law was evident that digital assets like XRP were securities. The SEC has never attested that it commenced a policy process addressing whether to direct digital assets as securities. Matthew Solomon's filing read, "Instead, the whole hypothesis of this case turns on the SEC's contention that no policy making or policy process was or alternately is necessary because digital assets like XRP are doubtless securities under 75-year-old judicial precedent." The filing is uplifting news for Ripple's defense, yet it raises an issue for the SEC attorney. Jeremy Hogan, who has been following the proceedings energetically, predicts that the SEC might be compelled to hand over every one of the documents that it had a problem with releasing because of its DPP. According to Hogan, The documents that are probably going to be released also incorporate an especially suspicious memorandum that contains a legal analysis of XRP that was written by the SEC's Division of Corporate Finance. The memo was written and distributed to members of the SEC just a day prior to Bill Hinman, the division's former director, giving his now famous speech announcing Ether isn't a security in the interim. The SEC has also filed a motion to compel Ripple to turn over recordings of meetings. It had the latest SEC motion is a development of different motions coordinated at the SA. Despite the case inclining towards Ripple's approval, neither one of the parties has shown interest in arriving at a ceasefire. In spite of the fact that observers have suggested and speculated about it, Ripple has even completely stated that it is not considering settlement. This was uncovered by Fox businessman Charles Gasparino, who has also been following the case closely. According to Gasparino, the outcome of the case will have expansive consequences on the force of the regulatory body over the crypto industry. Recently it was reported that former Ripple partner remittance giant MoneyGram inked a partnership deal with the present Ripple rival, Stellar Development Foundation. This is a pilot project that will see a complete rollout in 2022. Almost a year prior, on October 15, the news was reported that USD Coin would expand the Stellar blockchain. Ripple's partnership with San Francisco-based MoneyGram started back in 2019, with Ripple buying an enormous stake in the latter. In its tweets, Ripple distributed ledger tech supplier is on the list of senders here. According to the aforementioned blockchain sleuth, several driving digital exchanges and anonymous owners of crypto wallets have shifted 98.4 million XRP tokens. That measure of crypto constitutes an astounding $106,517,732. 6 crypto transactions were conducted conveying from 10 million XRP to 46 million XRP. Ripple has wired 20 million coins from one of its elective wallets RL18VN to the Bitstamp exchange in Luxembourg, curiously. However, it is likely that in the upcoming days, XRP price will follow the BTC price of the last days. This is because the fundamental side really looks positive. A judge refused to let Ripple holders join the case in shielding the Ripple Labs company. The SEC Ripple lawsuit, yet they also commented that this case wouldn't wind up with a ban for Ripple. So this is even more a scare strategy, which is essential for the greater crackdown on crypto. So Ripple is digging in for the long haul. If you invest in XRP, it is a long wait, but it is definitely worth it. XRP will explode in October. That's all. See you in the next video.